Hey y'all, it's Boden with the Research Assistance Center at the University of Alabama. At the RAC, I help students and faculty with their qualitative research, and today I'm going to tell you a little bit about the RAC and how to make an appointment to utilize our services. To be sure you stay up to date with all of our content, be sure to hit the subscribe button and follow us on the social media pages linked in the description. The RAC is a service offered through the University of Alabama's College of Education with a mission to provide faculty and graduate students with advice, assistance, and instruction in their research endeavors. To accomplish this mission, the RAC is staffed by specialists in qualitative and quantitative research, as well as academic writing, who are all available for one-on-one meetings throughout each week. At the RAC, our specialists can help with a range of things from coursework, personal research projects or publications, and even some dissertation-related work. Normally, we operate out of an on-campus office where you can drop by or make appointments. However, this year, we're operating virtually by appointment. If you'd like to schedule an appointment for help with academic writing, simply email our writing specialist at the link in the description. To make an appointment with the qualitative or quantitative specialists, follow the respective youcanbook.me links in the description. First, pick an available time slot. Most appointments take about 30 minutes, but don't worry. If you think you're going to need more time, feel free to schedule another appointment after your first is set up. Second, fill in the required fields. Be clear about what you want to accomplish during the appointment. This helps us prepare so that our time together is as efficient as possible. For the same reason, please send any pertinent documents to the email address found at the bottom of the form. Be sure to note your name and appointment time in the email subject line so that we may easily link your documents to your appointment. Third, press Confirm Booking. This will forward you to a page confirming the details of your meeting, including the Zoom link. It's a good idea to note this down. You'll also be receiving a confirmation email with the Zoom information again and a calendar invite after your booking is made. While the RAC can help in many different ways, it's important to mention that just like you, we must abide by the guidelines set forth by the College of Education and the University of Alabama related to academic dishonesty. We can do a lot and we love to help, but we can't make large contributions to your work like writing a section of a paper, publication, or anything like that. If you've got a question about this or how we can help you with your research, please send us an email. We look forward to hearing from you. Besides research specialist appointments, the RAC holds methodology and research-related workshops that are free to scholars at any level throughout the year. To keep up with these, be sure to follow the RAC on Twitter and Facebook in the links provided in the description. So that about wraps up how to book an appointment with the RAC. In the meantime, we wish you well on all of your research endeavors and hope to see you soon.